Okay, everybody. I've decided to stop here at Porterville on the way to Fresno, just for fun. We're going to be making a straight in for runway 30 Porterville. Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 2382 Victor is on a 3-mile final for runway 30 Porterville. Okay, landing checklist, fuel proper tank, mixture rich, fuel pump on. Alright.
Madras traffic, Commander 9 Azul is turning final for runway 30, Madras traffic. Porterville traffic, Springman Lake 31 Golf runway over the field, turning left hand 30 Porterville.
Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 2382 Victor will circle here to allow the traffic on downwind to land runway 30 Porterville.
Alright, thank you.
Okay guys, so the guy is on a downwind, so I'm making a little circle here to let him, you know, to give us some clearance. So you can see the beautiful
Delano traffic, Cherokee 7615 Foxtrot, with 3000. Continue flying east, Delano.
Now let's see, do you guys see any traffic?
Experimental 8, 3-1 Golf runway, left 30 Porterville.
Do you guys see the traffic on final? Do you guys see I don't see the traffic. I just don't see I don't see any traffic on. Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 2382 Victor is on a 1-mile final for runway 30 Porterville. I did not see any traffic landing there at all. So unless you were talking about a different airport, I don't know. Alright, flaps 1. Yeah, I just don't see what traffic landed at Porterville, unless it really is a different airport and I've misheard him. Anyway, whatever. If he is here, he's clear of the runway, he said. Okay guys, let's see if I can do the standard perfect landing as Maisie teaches.
short, 30 Porterville.
Thank you, Tomahawk 8 to Victor. Okay, wings level. 1 finger, 2 fingers. Alright, that was a reasonably nice landing, and what a nice juicy runway, I must say. We'll get off here at Bravo, clean up the aircraft. Bravo, Bravo, remember Bravo. And Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 238 Victor's off runway 30 at Bravo, taxiing runway 30 Porterville.
Porterville, this is 4069 uniform, departing runway 30.
Flaps up, accessories off, carburetor heat.
Crosswind departure to the south.
Mixture lead to the taxi. Okay, we're ready to taxi to runway 30. We don't have that much time to waste. Porterville is a nice airport, I must say. And guys, if you're lucky, and we will definitely see this, we should see there's a Cessna on runway 30 right now, taking off. I hope you can see this. It's quite beautiful. Okay, I don't know. Can you see him? Can you see him? Over there. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. It's just us now. And back to Fresno. Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 238 Victor is holding short of runway 30 Porterville.
Porterville, so support your next time here, from turn left, crosswind from runway 30 Porterville.
This guy's like
the area southwest.
Departure procedures runway 30, no turns until 2,000 feet past departure end of runway 30. 20 times 20 Mach on 7, no turns of a sports complex. 2,000 feet past departure end of runway 30, wow. Take off checklist of tank, mix your set electric fuel pump 1. Carburetor heat off. Engine gauges check. Seats and bags latch, belts on its fastened, flap set, trim set. Yes, controls free indeed. And doors latched, alright. Porterville traffic, Tomahawk 238 Victor is taxiing onto runway 30 for a straight out departure, runway 30 Porterville.
Yeah, Porterville traffic, Arrow 6914 Charlie, we're about 5 miles to the south, and we'll be entering left downwind for 30, we're looking for the other traffic.
I actually don't see the other plane. Alright, this can be a very smooth takeoff. Very, very smooth.
Charlie, we're going to be entering left downwind 30 Porterville. And 14 Charlie, left downwind 30